Quentin. We're gonna have you try some snacks.
Okay.
Snack rate this month is from Mexico. There are some interesting snacks, so I want to get your opinion on them.
Open now.
Yeah, go ahead. Have at it.
Oh, I like the paper. Oh, this is gonna. I feel like this is gonna be spicy. Come on, Hello Rico. I'm gonna try to look up instructions. I'm just gonna wing it here.
It's like a gel stuff.
I see that. How you do, cut? You gotta really get in there. Okay, great. Now what if I don't like this? Is that what you do? You just lick it?
Yep.
Yeah, you might have to bite a little bit off of it because it's a little bit harder.
Do you like it?
I recently found out that we sell these at work.
Oh my, oh my. What flavor is this?
It's like tamarind or something.
Oh no, it's a Mexican drug lord flavor. Pretty good.
All those are different flavors of the same thing.
So I'm about to taste the same.
No, the same fruit
Justin,
taste.
just let him experience it. Don't warn him about anything.
Which flavor is that one?
Watermelon.
That was really impressive. This looks like something to like you just find. Like you're at the mall, you're hungry, you don't know what you're doing, and then all of a sudden it's just like, oh hey, what's this? Oh, that's not too bad. That's great.
Maybe the watermelon one's not so bad. Oh.
Wow, that's something. It's just like the texture.
Yeah.
It tastes like they made it, but like they found a way to use sand. Sand, sugar, and sadness. They just threw it all in there, put it in a little rectangle, and someone specifically made sure to make it look like shit. What's next? Oh god. This is supposed to be a lollipop.
Yes. Oh, it's a watermelon when we're on theme here.
Why is everything turd shaped?
Is that how you open lollipops?
The guy.
I feel like that's the least efficient way. Yeah, like that. That's normal. Good luck.
Look at this! They didn't even clean the stick. There's the empathy is a fun, Cindy. That was good. This tastes like you're licking the bottom of someone's foot.
It tastes like chili powder, doesn't
It's
it?
coated
It just
in
tastes
chili powder.
like that's what everything's coated in. It's like chili powder.
Wow, at what meeting were they just like, alright, we got this lollipop, it's pretty good, how can we make it better? And Jeff over here in the corner just goes, put some chili powder on it! And they didn't. No one came up with another idea on the day. They wrote that down to make Jeff feel good, and they were like, huh, that's the only thing we came up with, and chili powder lollipop. Oh god, it's worse the second time! Gave me asthma. Is this a bath bomb? Del Rosa. Me del no like a you.
Be careful opening it.
It's
It's
very
super crumbly. It's a crumbly snack. It's supposed to be.
Do I have to finish all these?
No, you don't have to
I'm
finish
just
them.
gonna,
You just have to taste them, sample them.
I'm just gonna like save these.
For Emery.
You won't even know. It'll be like, oh, it's moist. It's just the chili powder. Okay, I'm getting some peanut butter vibes. Not picking up any chili vibes, but I'm sure there's gonna be something else that surprised me. It's not too bad.
Yeah, that one's pretty good. I love that one.
It's not too bad. It's really, it's a nice texture. It's a fun texture. It gets in your mouth and it's just like, it's not really there.
It reminds me of like moon sand. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes.
Yeah, it really does.
The texture is like moon sand.
Japanese style peanuts.
They were made by a Japanese immigrant, but he first sold them in Mexico City.
These gonna be fire. I don't have a doubt. They're gonna be straight out of that fire mouth. Fiery. Alright. Tried so hard and got so far. No, they're good. I like these. I enjoy these.
I was just.
Everything's going wrong! Nailed it. Alright, anyways, back to this. Are these? I've already tried these, right? These are all just
Yeah, they're all just
Yeah, they're all just different flavors.
You stack these up.
I think that might be all that's in there.
No, there's one more.
Is it the chili powder popsicle? I mean, and see, I don't even know what it is anymore. I don't even know that it's a lollipop. Ah, here's the, oh god. We're ending on a big one, folks. What better way to market chocolate with strawberry, maybe marshmallow? A duck. Use a duck. Alright. I have high hopes for this one. I have really high hopes. All of my hopes may have just gone out the window. Kind of tastes like nothing.
No? Nothing at all?
I mean, like, definitely chocolate. Like, you taste chocolate. But the filler, like, it's not bad. It's like just like a fluffy, light. I feel there's something red on the picture. I want to find this redness. Is this? It's like
it's
a little
in there.
mystery treat.
You gotta take a bigger bite than that.
You gotta take a bigger bite to that. Well, I'm sorry. I just had a freaking chili.
Trail.
Yeah, so I mean, once you get to the strawberry, you like unlock one more flavor. But yeah, pretty much just tastes like chocolate and light, fluffy cake. Favorite one was definitely the chili powder lollipop. Like, share, and subscribe.
So Quentin, how did you like your first snack crate?
It was great. Very diverse.
They're all from Mexico. How do you feel about Mexican snacks?
Repeat the question.
How do you feel about Mexican snacks?
Build a wall.
On that note, thank you, Quentin, for trying our snacks today.
Keep the chili powder lollipops out of our borders. No, they were pretty good.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, a couple of them, like the fluffy one, if I was in the mood for like something fluffy.
I mean, given you didn't get all of them, there were some good ones. Obviously, we ate them, though. Most of them were double dosed. You did get most of it, but there were like chocolate bars and stuff. There were only one, but they did have some really good chocolate and whatnot. So I feel like we just gave you the worst of the worst.
You know what? Maybe I'm just not thinking about it right. Maybe if I went to like a barbecue or like a grill out or like a chili cook-off. That's it tastes like the cinnamon challenge, but with chili powder. Where you just put it in your mouth and breathe it, you don't die.
All right, thank you, Quentin, for trying our snacks today. I hope you enjoyed it.
Bye!